Huh? Now, look at that salad. What's up, everybody? It's Ahmed with I Really Can Cook, your average everyday cook, and today we are having leftovers. Yesterday was Taco Tuesday, and I ate a bunch of tacos. I almost feel like I'm still full from yesterday's tacos, but today I'm having leftovers. Not leftover tacos. I need a meal to kind of counteract and balance out that bunch of tacos that I ate, that monster pile and plate of tacos. And what better meal to have after you've eaten a bunch of tacos? A salad. See that good salad right there? But of course, you know how we do here at I Really Can Cook. It's not going to be your everyday salad. Let's go ahead and find out what kind of salad it's really going to be. So what is a glutton salad, you might be asking? Like, man, all this dude does is make glutton fries and gluttonous breakfast burritos and epic this and epic that. Well, yesterday was Taco Tuesday, and I ate a bunch of tacos, and I can't see myself eating tacos back to back, day after day. I love tacos. I love tacos, but I don't want to do that to myself. So what better to do than have a salad, right? But you don't want no boring salad with just a little bit of sauce and a little bit of this, a little bit of that. You got to make it gluttonous. Yeah, it might be a little bit healthy, but then you might counteract the health by making it gluttonous, but it's so good. And yeah, I didn't do chicken. And one of the ingredients, I know you saw the list of ingredients that I showed in the beginning of the video. One of the ingredients I didn't add was a hard-boiled egg. Normally I would put a hard-boiled egg in my salad. And sometimes I put some corn in my salad, but not this time. But the reason why I didn't want to do a hard-boiled egg is because I just don't think hard-boiled eggs go good with ground beef. It doesn't taste right. And to be completely honest, sometimes when I do chicken and have leftover chicken and make a gluttonous salad with the leftover chicken, I feel kind of funny putting a hard-boiled egg with the chicken. Kind of weird. Or is that just me? But I am kind of weird, so maybe it is me. But enough of me talking about my weirdness. We're gonna go ahead and construct this glutton salad, and I'm gonna get my eat on. I'm not gonna have you guys watch me eat it. I'm just gonna show you how to put it together, and then you can get your grub on when you feel like getting your grub on. I'm about to construct this glutton salad, but before I do, you know I've gotta wash my hands. First thing you want to do is take your leftover ground beef and you want to put it in the microwave for about, I say about a minute. You definitely want to put it in the microwave with the lid on loosely. There's nothing worse than opening up your microwave and seeing splattered taco meat all over the clean white walls. It's going to be hot and steaming like it is now. So you want to grab it from the side so you don't burn yourself, and move it over to your counter so you can go ahead and put that salad together. Now here comes the fun part of constructing your glutton salad. First thing you want to do, grab your hearty size bag of Doritos. And you don't have to put a bunch. You don't want to go overkill. Just a couple of shakes of Doritos in there. Come on. Whoa, that's way too many. So just gonna go ahead and grab a couple more. That'll do it. Set those aside for now. And you want to crunch them up. Best way I found, I used to try to do it with the fork, but it didn't work. So I just take my mayo, crunch them up. You don't want your glutton salad with a whole bunch of full-size Doritos in there, right? And see, it's not much left on the container, just a little bit right there. Get that out of there. Next thing you do, you want to take your salad, all right? Some fresh scissors so you don't try to open it and explode everywhere too. Take that, and what I like to do is put half the bag in first. This salad is only 30 calories. This whole bag, 15 calories, even better. The whole bag is only 15 calories. So while the salad itself is a little on the healthy side, what I'm doing to it, not so much. Cheese and garlic seasoned croutons. Take a bunch of those, add a little bit more crunch, even though you got some crunch from the Doritos. What's a salad without croutons, right? And that should be enough. You don't want to overkill with that either. Set that aside. Then you want to take a handful of green onions. Maybe 2 handfuls, depending on how many you like. I like a lot. I like a lot of my salad. Boom. There we go, right there. Put that aside. Take that hot leftover ground beef. Yeah, perfect. Put that in there. Set that aside. Then get your mayo. And you want to get a pretty decent sized scoop. Actually, maybe about 2 of those, because you're going to put the rest of that salad in there, right? That aside. If you like cheese like I do, Velveeta. I know some people say it's not cheese. Hey, it's cheese to me. You want to load your salad up with a bunch of cheese. Works for me. Yeah. Okay. That'll do it. Set that aside. Now, I want to finish off this bottle of Tapatio. I got some more, so I'll probably have to add some more later. But actually, no. This might do it. Because I like my salad to burn. Yeah, I know. It's kind of weird, but I'm a weirdo, like I said. I like my salad to burn, so go ahead. Get rid of that. We're not going to need that bottle anymore. Now, you're going to take the last of this salad. Put that on top there. There we go. Now, the best way I found to do this is, well, you want to get, use the salad to get everything off your fork. And we're going to take the lid, put the lid on top, make sure that lid is secure. And you're going to want to shake this thing like it owes you money. But before I start the shaking, I forgot I added some pepper off camera. I normally don't add salt to mine because the Doritos have salt, the croutons have salt, might be some salt in the mayo, salt in the cheese, so I don't want to overkill with the salt. But I added some pepper for flavor. So now I'm going to take this big old giant ridiculous bowl with this whole salad in there. I'm going to shake it to mix it all in there really good. You want to shake it really good because you don't want a big old glob of mayo just in one spot, and you don't want your Doritos all sitting at the bottom. You want to shake it up really good, mix it in there really good. You know, give it a 2-minute shake. 2 minutes ain't gonna hurt anything. Plus you want the meat mixed in there. You want everything blended perfectly so that way you get a little bit of glutton flavor in every bite. Huh? Now, look at that salad. It might not be pretty. I don't want to get too close because the light's bright. Matter of fact, I'm gonna turn the light down so I can get closer so you guys can see it. Hope you guys can see that, right? But yeah, that's a salad for you. Might not be pretty, but don't have to be pretty to taste good. This, whoo man, I'm about to kill this salad. Not gonna have you guys watch me eat it, but I'm gonna go ahead and either pour myself some iced tea or get a high C juice box or some Sunny D or some ginger ale. I don't know. I got so many choices of what to drink while I'm getting my eat on. But anyway, this is Ahmed with I Really Can Cook. This is my glutton salad, and I'll see you in the next video.